Hi everyone, I'm Vandana Rai from Immigration Advisors New Zealand. A recent news that has come out today, the changes pertaining to the new Accredited Employer Work Visas, which replace 6 types of currently present work visas. So wanted to give some information pertaining to the work to residence category for all those clients who were in the process of applying for their work to residence, be it talent accredited work visa or the long-term skill shortage list work visa. So how does this new change affect them? What are the implications that would be on them? So for all those who are considering applying for their work to residence visa through either of these pathways, I would say please do hurry up. Get yourself assessed fast, because with the changes coming up, this path may no longer be available to you. So we have been informed that after the new rule is implemented 1st November 2021, the only pathway to residence through a work visa would be when an employee is getting twice the median wage rate. So for all those who are earning more than $80,000, meeting the current requirement of $79,560, working with an accredited employer, please get yourself assessed and consider applying for a talent accredited work visa if you're meeting the requirement, because if your salary is not twice the median, that is 106,000 New Zealand dollars, going forward after 1st November, this option may not be available to you. For all those who are meeting the long-term skill shortage requirement and were in the process of getting their overseas qualification assessed, checking on whether they are meeting the work experience requirement as per the long-term skill shortage list, please again do hurry up. The changes will come into effect from 1st November and 31st October would be the last date these two categories of work visa applications which have a pathway to residence could be submitted. If you need any clarification on whether you are meeting the requirement for the talent accredited work visa, if you need any clarification on whether your qualification, your work experience, whether you're meeting the requirement for the long-term skill shortage list work visa, please do get in touch with us. We would be happy to provide as much clarity as needed, so you are able to submit your application if you are eligible while these options still holds true. Thank you so much.